Bethany Hamilton loved the ocean before she could fully understand it. Surfing wasn't a hobby, it wasn't a phase, it was who she was. By the age of 13, Bethany was already competing at elite levels. Her future in professional surfing looked unstoppable. Then one morning, everything changed. The water was calm, the waves were familiar, the moment felt normal, until it wasn't. A shark attack took Bethany's left arm, in seconds. No warning, no mercy, no choice. In a single moment, her dream seemed over. Doctors saved her life, but the world quietly assumed her career was finished. People didn't say it out loud. They didn't need to. The look said enough. How can you surf with one arm? How can you compete? How can you survive? Bethany heard all of it, and she felt it too. Fear, uncertainty, but something inside her refused to break. While others focused on what she lost, Bethany focused on what she still had. Her heart, her love for the ocean. Her belief. Only 1 month after the attack, Bethany returned to the water, not because she was fearless, but because she was faithful to her dream. She fell, she struggled, she wiped out again and again, but she adapted. She learned new techniques, built new strength, created a new normal. 1 year later, Bethany won first place in a national surfing competition. Let that sink in. 1 arm, 1 year, 1 championship. Bethany didn't just return, she arose. Today, she's a professional surfer, author, and global speaker. But her greatest achievement isn't the trophies. It's her mindset. Bethany teaches us that adversity doesn't ask for permission. It shows up uninvited. But resilience, that's a choice. You don't need perfect conditions to move forward. You need commitment. If life has taken something from you, time, health, confidence, opportunity, it doesn't mean your story's over. It means your story just got deeper. Bethany Hamilton proves that you don't need everything to succeed. You just need enough courage to start again.